Hi, my name is Vijayalakshmi Kunur. I am from RBI and BDO, responsible for governance and controlling of IT functions. I have been in Bosch now for more than 3 decades. My journey with Bosch began in the year 1991. I should say it was by accident because the appointment of apprentices had got over and there were no more vacancies. But then 3 people quit and then I got a call to join in. And that was the first day at Bosch. I even remember they had a special lunch that day, and it also coincided with my birthday. There was a sweet dish, and then there was this combination of rice which we call as 50-50. And I thought the food in Bosch is going to be like this every day. So that's my first experience, and I'll never forget it. So this is where it all started, and it has never stopped going forward. The next training which I received from Bosch was the Commercial Graduate Training Program. This is a 2-year dual training where we get training in the university and also on the job. And this superbly molded me into multiple departments and multiple functions. And I should say this was a true foundation for me to take my journey forward in Bosch. I am a true believer of the fact that if you stop the learning, then life gets really boring, and there's nothing to look forward for. So I constantly kept looking for opportunities to learn and to try out new things and to keep moving from my comfort zone. After the Commercial Graduate Training Program, I was put into the purchase department, where I was handling directly with the vendors and the research and develop department, the quality department, and the procurement department. So this kind of gave me an experience of working with multiple functions and a very, very good business overview. After that, there was an opportunity to work with the indirect material and then into IT projects and then into controlling. So whenever there was an opportunity to move to different departments or take on a new challenge, I was always in for it, because that's how I enjoyed the learning part of it and also taking on the new challenges. When this offer came up, I was lost because my daughter was 8 years old and my son was 5 years old, and I did not have support and I couldn't even decide how to take this forward. When I asked my husband if he can help me out here, he said yes. And can you imagine, my dream really came true of going to a foreign country and working there. So all the 4 of us went, and my 2-year stint in Germany was really a wonderful experience for me, my children, my husband. And in all, I should say this gave me also a lot of confidence and courage to stay in a foreign place with a foreign language, and children trying to cope up, and my husband also trying to fight the stigma of staying at home and taking care of the kids and family. But we did it, and it worked. And this is what I say to all the women: dream big, take support, do not be the one to step back and say, no, next time we can do this. I should share one of my experiences here, where I had taken a very challenging role, which was very demanding. It was a budding business. The numbers were red and the hours were stretched, and I had to spend a lot of time traveling and coming up with presentations to the leadership, and it took a toll on my personal life. Luckily, there were people in the organization who said, do not give up. Please see if you have any other avenues open which might work for you. And this kind of set another spark in me and said, okay, let me try. And when I looked around and asked people to help me, there were so many hands that said, yes, please, we can support you here. So this was an eye-opener for me, because I knew that when I need help, there are people in the organization, and the organization will certainly see what it can do to ensure that you can take your career forward. So in that way, the organization was very, very supportive, and it helped me rise again like a phoenix. these 3 decades, I have seen Bosch transform from a closed door organization to an open door organization. It has been a drastic sea change of culture in the organization. I have also experienced a closed canteen for women. So when I joined, we were only around 50 women. From that to this kind of diversity, where today I see so many women in the organization, we really have come a very, very long way. And my advice to the women would be dream big and go for it. Speak up whenever you feel that something is okay or not okay, because you have to be heard. Focus on what you want, and never give up. You are on an equal footing to getting the best of the education. Make good use of it in building your career, breaking barriers, and becoming leaders. Go for it, girl.